the next demonstration, we will cover the Pharos Chrome Print extension 3-step implementation using the Google admin to deploy to Chromebooks. The 3 steps are Chromebook before deployment, download Beacon Chromebook policy configuration, and Google admin console. Deploying the Pharos Chrome Print extension to Chromebooks starts with the Chromebook that is logged in with a Google managed account. You'll see my Chromebook here on the screen, and if I go down into the system tray icon and I click down here in the lower right, you'll see that there is a managed indication here in the lower right. So this does mean that we are logged into the Chromebook with a managed Google account, that a Google administrator can actually push the Pharos Chrome Print extension to the Chromebook. To show this, then starts in this process, it starts with the Google administrator going into the Google admin console. You go into devices, and then you click on Chrome devices. And up here, you'll see that you have devices. We can then scroll down to apps and extensions. And you can see we're in the organizational unit that we're working with here. In this case, it's Pharos Systems. I'm going to go down here to the lower right and up one icon to add from the Chrome Web Store. So I'll click that link. We will go out to the Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to search for the Pharos Chrome Print extension. When I find it, I click it. I can then select it for use, and it's adding it into the Google Administrator. The next thing that we want to do is we need to put in or upload the policy for the extension. This configures the Pharos Chrome Print extension for use. To do that, your Pharos Beacon administrator will log in to the Beacon console. And once they're inside, we're going to go up to the Secure menu, to the Setup Guide menu, again down to the number 3, Finalize Sentry Print Setup. And we're going to click on the Deploy Chromebook extension link. Again, note that there are help links within here if you do need to have additional help or information on the configuration item that you're working with. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead and download the policy configuration. So it's downloaded it to my computer. We're then going to go back over into the Google admin, and I'm going to upload that configuration. And I will find the file of the Chrome policy that I downloaded. I'm going to open that to attach it. I'm going to save it over here in the upper right-hand corner. And you'll note here now that we have the specific URL that's specific to your Beacon environment that you would deploy out to your Chromebook users for the Chromebook Pharos Print extension. From there, we can go up here and then change the parameters of the Chrome Print extension from not just allowing the install, we're going to force the install. Once I've made that change and I click here in the upper right, it goes ahead and saves that change. I'm going to bring my Chromebook back up. And here in a moment, we're going to notice that I'm going to get the Pharos Chrome Print extension here in just a second added to my Chromebook. And you can see here I've clicked on the extensions here, and then you do see that we have the Pharos Chrome Print extension. I'm going to go ahead and pin it up here to the taskbar, and then I'm going to go ahead and click that icon. You'll see that the configuration URL is already in place. I'm going to go ahead and click Submit. And this finalized the setup. We got the success message that we are now set up the Pharos Chrome Print extension for use. I can then go to a document that I want to print. In this case, I'm going to print the Sentry Print brochure. I come up here to the print icon in the upper right. And from here, you'll see the document, and then we can select the destination. We can click the drop-down arrow. We can go to See More to see all of our options that are available. And we're looking again for the secure printer, Pharos Chrome Print. I'm going to go ahead and select that printer. And then again, you have options around printing all of the pages, a page range, how many copies or sets you'd like. You can also switch the document to black and white and color. And I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as color, and I'm going to go ahead and hit print to submit the print job into Beacon Century Print that can then be released on any printer in your environment that's configured for Pharos Century Print. To summarize here then, we've successfully shown how to get the policy configuration for Pharos Century Print to upload into the Google admin console to add the extension to your organization that's of managed Chromebooks, as well as force the install of the Pharos Chrome Print extension when your users sign into their Chromebook. And then as well as clicking on the Pharos Century Chrome Print extension in your taskbar at the top to then complete and submit the extension configuration to register it, and then print a document into Pharos Century Print.